So mga ka-farm, we will make video today about DIY making chicken nest. Do it on your own. We make this video for you guys to know how to make so that you will no need to buy and spend money, and you can have it for free. So you need only to watch the video and you can have your free chicken nest. And the materials also is available everywhere. If you have coconut tree, then you can have it. So watch and learn the video, guys. Now he started it making the process. Take a look, guys. The materials is so native. It is made from coconut leaf. Just coconut leaf without anything, no nails, no everything, no tie. Just coconut leaf, guys. It's very good.
Dito dapit. Hindi man na makita na iniguan nila tanaw.
Amazing, right? Are you familiar with this chicken nest, guys? It is usually used in the province.
Don't do this at home.
Uy, yung ka mga scorpion. Scorpion. Pero scorpion lab. Patay. May mga mga tag-asin ko. Kuan sila. You know, guys, I tried it once. I make it very, very slow. Usually, I see most people using chicken nest like this. They're using this kind of nest. I see something, guys. He's making a lock like that. Ah, he's making a lock. So easy to do, right?
Only Bisaya can do this.
Bisaya people only can do. Uy, namunga, namuso naman po dahil labo ang saging. Oh. Giduoban ba? As you see this guy, you hire this guy because he knows everything. He knows being carpenter, mason. He know how to climb trees. Oh, he's cutting. Oh, as you see, guys, I cannot see. You continue at the other edge of the leaf. I really make this video for English because I invite some friends there in my former co-worker in Kuwait. Shout out to Fawaz and Prasant. If you guys watching this video, you can understand it. Good for you guys. I made this for you. Hope you understand and knows how to make like this chicken nest.
Then roll by.
Then you will roll that one and make it like a shape of a nest. You see, guys, he's rolling that one like that. See the shape.
And then you can kuha muna the tali in the big tree in the kakwate.
Imo day nang ko anon talian.
Oh, ayun oh, yung puti.
Yan ba ko no need to me no ties to my no nails.
Sige na.
Saan man ho?
Oh,
Ah,
ingat
stop
tungod
sa-
pa dong dili oy. Ito na pa dong pagkuhag tali.
Correction guys, there is one material added. This one to tie this chicken nest. Only this material he needs. Okay.
Be.
Hope you pick something good ideas, guys, in making everything for free. Free is very good, right? Especially to the people like us who has a low income in the society. So this is for us.
Bahalag masakiton basta maayog lawas.
As you see, guys, it's almost finished. So fast.
Nabilin ang piso. Oh, there is small sugat in my nose.
Yeah. He cut his hand because he's making daghag.
Daghag.
Check it, guys, how daghag he is. Di lang kita eh. You know what is danghag, guys? That is our language, Bisaya language, here in the province. Danghag means careless. Yes. Very careless, reckless in driving. He's reckless not in driving. He's reckless in making the chicken nest.
Tagaig ko ng mapiso lang.
Nakapagalitan ka man lahat.
Ano yun? Kanto raman to ay katong tungtungas kuan ba?
Mo na sanay mong DIY.
Nasiyam nam nang iya piso.
Ang tapon siguro. Nabili.
And then I pack his clothes and wear the shoes and hold the light. Turn. Dako roman. Oh, look inside.
So to those who know how to make it, guys, don't shy to comment down. Yes, if you know, so you're familiar to make it, and you know this, like this chicken nest. See the space, guys. Yeah, it's Good space for the chicken and the eggs. The material is good because like this weather, very hot weather, you know, the material is cool. There's a cooling effect.
With air freshener. Finish. And then cut the tail.
He's cutting the excess. That is excess already. Oh, see? Show to us. Show to us the finished product. Then we'll sell it at the market. Turn it. See how nice? How excellent work. Wow, good job. Excellent work. Good job. Very artistic. Truly artistic indeed, our channel. Thank you guys. I hope.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I hope you pick something new, good ideas today. So, make it a habit to learn and learn new good things in life. That's all. Bye. Thank you.